And we're back for part 2 of the garage cleanup. If you saw my last video, I've been installing pallet planks as a backing directly onto the studs that were already on my garage wall. My neighbor had some pallets laying around, so I pried off the planks and hammered out the nails. I also had these soft mats from Harbor Freight. I'm going to be putting the toolbox on top of them, which will prevent the toolbox from rolling around while I'm working. Cleaning up is the main priority right now, so I'm making sure everything goes back clean. Vacuuming behind my toolbox, the toolbox itself, and wiping down all the surfaces. I really like how this is turning out. The acro bins are perfect for sorting fuses and hardware, and the planks mounted to the wall allow me to mount the bin hangers and also double as a hanger for my impact and drills.